What do you think is the most important thing to you in the underwriting process? Is it the assets, the manager, the structure, the industry? What are you actually looking at to guide your decision-making process?
It's actually a discussion we have a lot internally, what is the most important. And unfortunately, I'm going to give you a bit of a cop-out answer, which is the asset and the GP are equally important. So what we look for is, but if you had to kind of put a gun to my head, I would say the asset first. So we are underwriting the company. We're doing diligence on the market. We're doing diligence on the robustness of the business model, the strength of the company in that space.
Sorry to interrupt you, but isn't that what the GPs you work with do?
Yeah, absolutely. They will do that in conjunction with us because we always come in during the diligence process. So we do not come in or rarely come in once the deal has been done. So we are clearly, our investment partners, our GPs, are in the lead of that process. We are there to give our input during that due diligence process. And often cases, we do a bit of top of diligence on the side as well.
Okay, so you have like a multi-layered due diligence process.
Correct. So we do conduct this diligence on the market, on the company, its relative strength in that market. We actually also look at how well is the GP positioned to drive the value creation of this underwriting case. So therefore the fit with the skills of the GP is extremely important for us.
Who are you selling this to? Pension funds, wealth managers?
Predominantly institutional investors. So these are pension funds, these are both public as well as private, insurance companies, but increasingly also wealth managers who provide access.
Because there's growing interest from private clients in private equity.
Yep, absolutely.
Is that a new market that Unigestion is tapping into?
Yes, we will tap into that. Already there are kind of wealth management platforms that have invested into our funds. But of course the retailization of private equity is a clear trend. So there will be kind of funds and more and more funds in the future which are semi-liquid, so where retail investors can invest and have an option to partially redeem their investment into the fund.